Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to cut off and disconnect the internet and not allow access to the internet from WhatsApp only from your phone settings. A simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video. You can apply the same steps for any application you have, and you can disconnect the internet from it only before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, you will search for the WhatsApp application among the applications you have here or write in the application search engine. You write WhatsApp, and it will appear to you what that is. Click on it, then click on Using Data. After that, you deactivate these options so that WhatsApp cannot access the internet from Wi-Fi mobile data and roaming data. If you want to regain access to the internet, activate them again. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in video coming soon, God willing.